Good morning, students. Welcome to Learning Management System of Techno India Group Public School, Konnagar. I will guide you how you can register yourself in LMS. So first of all, you have to type the address, means that URL that you have already got from your class teacher, that is konnagar.offbeateducation.com. So after writing that address, the page will look like this, where you can see at the top of the page the school name is there. Our school name, Techno India Group Public School, Konnagar. So after that, if you will scroll the page, you can see in there is a sign in section. So where we can see the student ID and password and the forgot password. So we need to fill up all this field. So student ID, all of you already got the student ID from your class teacher. So whenever you are typing your student ID, make sure that you are writing your own student ID, no any other student's UID. So our student ID is a number which is 8-digit number and it starts with 8. So we have to write our student ID in the place of student ID. So I am writing my student ID, that is okay. Now we have to come to the password section. Now what password we will give? So before giving any password, you have to turn on this I sign so that you can see what you are typing. Sometimes whenever you are trying to log in from laptop, so that time maybe your caps lock is on, so that time error can be occurred. Sometimes in your phone the sentence case may be on, so that time you can face problem. So always we have to turn on the I sign so that we can see that what we are typing. So password will be cone 12345. Remember this thing, whenever you are giving the password, the initial password will be cone 12345 for everyone. It is for those who are entering to LMS first time. So this is the initial password for everyone. After giving the password, we have to click on submit. After giving our student ID and password, the page will look like this, where we can see some options, that is upload profile picture, next is email, phone number, current password, new password and confirm new password. So in the profile picture section, you have to upload your picture with school uniform, and the picture size will be maximum 1 MB. Please make sure that whatever picture you are uploading in the profile picture, so that size will be maximum 1 MB, so not more than that. Sometimes we are taking picture in digital camera, so that time our file size can be large. So we have to upload the picture within 1 MB. Now you need to give your mail ID and phone number and the current password and the new password. Now the question is why we need to verify ourselves, why we need to give our mail ID and phone number. So the answer is when you will forget your password for LMS, so that time you can get one alert in your registered mail ID as well as in your registered phone number. And whenever your subject teacher will upload any material or assignment or anything in LMS, so you will receive one SMS alert as well as one mail alert. So they have to give our email address, our phone number, our current password, our new password. Now here I want to tell you that please give that email address which is accessed by you. Please don't give any mail address which you cannot access. It is applicable for your phone number. Please give one valid phone number which is accessed by you. So we have to give our valid mail ID and our valid phone number. So I am giving my mail address here, that is okay. I have given my mail address. Now I have to give my valid phone number where I can receive the SMS alert. Now I have to give my current password. So I told you before, when you will type any kind of password, always you have to turn on the I sign. So the I sign is on. Now what is my current password? So that password which I have given whenever I have first time entered in LMS. So that is cone 12345. So I have to give that cone 12345. Now new password. So this new password means this password you have to give by yourself for your own security purpose. So you can give your own password by yourself. So suppose I am giving my password as, okay, so this is my new password. Confirm new password. Again I have to turn on the I sign, then I have to give. So always remember, you have to set a new password for the security purpose. And one more thing, please don't share your new password with anyone. It is for your security purpose. Please write down your password in your school diary, that what password you are giving. We will not provide you your new password. So you have to remember your new password. Please write down in school diary. After giving that, I have to click on submit. So after that, the page will look like this, where you can see your profile in LMS. So I can see my name is there. Then I can see my registration number. I can see my mail ID. I can see my contact number as well. Also, I can see my class, my section, and my subjects. So you can also see your subjects. Now I have to verify my email ID and I have to verify my contact number. Now the question is, why we need to verify our mail ID and our contact number? So I told you before, we have to verify our mail ID and phone number to receive any kind of alert. So when your teacher will upload anything in LMS, so you will receive one alert in your registered mail ID and your registered phone number. So when you will forget your password, so when you will request to LMS system that you have forgot your password, so LMS will send you one security alert or the new password to the registered mail ID and the contact number. So now I have to do the verification process. So first of all, I am doing the verification process for my mail ID. So what I have to do now, I have to simply click on this verify now button. You can see the orange color button is there. I have to simply click on that. Now when I will click that, you can see one box has appeared, that is verify email code. It means I have received one code in my verified mail ID inbox. So now I have to check my mail inbox where I can see the verification code. So let's come to the mail inbox. So you can see that I have already received one verification code in my inbox, mail inbox. So the address is info@soljet at the gator41. So I have received the verification code. Let me show you. That is, see, my verification, your code is 734627. So now I have to type this particular code to verify my email address. So I am typing that code here to verify my mail address, that is 73734 627. So I have written that code. Now I have to click on submit button. See, code matched, email ID is successfully verified. So you can see the button color has changed, means it is now, it is verified. Means for the phone verification, you don't have to verify it for this time being, but you have to give the valid phone number so that you can get all type of alert in your SMS. So these are the total verification process. Thank you.